Okay, part 8 on Project Dorito. It's time to paint it blue. Let's do it. Love the smell of paint. I'm sweating my bag off. Fucking 10 in the morning. It's fucking almost 30 Celsius. So what is that, 90? I don't know, 95. Fuck. Fucking hell. Oh, fuck. Okay, there you go. Quick painting video. That color match is pretty good. I blended a couple little bits on the sides over here, and you can't even tell. I mean, that's a pretty good color match. The first coat, I don't know if you, I guess you need to know a little bit about spray guns, right? But I barely had any fluid coming out. It was like maybe half a turn of fluid, and you want to do that, and for a couple of reasons. It allows you to go real slow. And then there's so many nooks and crannies and curves, and that front panel's got, I mean, it's almost as bad as painting a wheel, you know? So you go super light on the first one, just to get coverage on everything, and so you don't get runs and you end up with these big high buildup, like edges with high buildup of paint on them. They'll always run on you. So when you're doing something like that, that's not a flat panel, like a door or a fan or something intricate like that, you know, lots of coats, very little fluid and lower pressure makes that job a lot easier. And then the third coat, or like the control coat, the second one was pretty heavy, but the third one I had the fan like almost all the way open, just firing it on there, right? That gives it that nice finish and nice, not wet look, but nice even finish on the paint. So yeah, that's it. The end of part 8. Part 9 will be reassembly, getting everything put back together. I hope I can remember where everything went. There was a lot of nuts and bolts that came off this thing, so I will. And if I can't remember, I'll look it up. Yeah, you want to make sure everything's just perfect when you're rebuilding cars. So, and if you watch YouTube channels, this is what pisses me off. You watch some YouTube channels, right, where they rebuild cars, and they'll do a video, and then the next video will be, magically, the car will be rebuilt, and it's like, it doesn't work like that, It's not It's not anywhere near as easy as a lot of people make it out to be on the YouTube. Whereas I'm just, I do this anyways. I'm just recording it and showing you guys, right? Most of it's fast forward. It's not like you're learning anything. But yeah, I feel bad for some people, because some people might watch some videos on YouTube and think, oh, that's easy. I can rebuild cars too. And then they go buy a car to rebuild, and it's a disaster for them. I feel bad for that guy, who's kind of like getting screwed over by watching YouTube channels. But then again, the guy should know better, right? So, okay, that's my rant. I'm gonna shower and stuff and go ice skating with the kids, and probably get some ice cream too.